plotting ray observations with bearing and distances. The way you create your data file is that you must have a starting point. In compass observation, or when you're working with bearing and distance, you must have a starting point with coordinates. Then enter the point name, comma, the coordinates of the starting point in the format of easting, comma, nothings. If you don't have coordinates of these 2 points, you can type in arbitrary coordinates. Assuming you don't have coordinates of your starting point, that's a local origin. But when you do, you supply the coordinates of your starting point. Then, from the starting point, the next point fixed with ray. The arrangement does not matter. You can type in like this. V1 can be the third or the last, as long as you are using ray method. Then, from V1, these are bearings and distances. V1, comma, degrees, comma, minutes, comma, seconds, comma, distance. If you don't have seconds, type in 00. There must be seconds. It must be in the format of point name, comma, degrees, comma, minutes, comma, seconds, comma, distance. For all the points fixed from instrument station arrow 1 are these. Then you move to a new point. This file means that this point V2 have been fixed or processed earlier. When computer encounters file, computer will pause and search for the coordinates of this V2. Computer will go back, locate V2 and get the processed coordinates and continue with it with this one. Just like enter the coordinates here, computer will fetch the processed coordinates of V2 and insert it here and continue. For all the points fixed with ray method from station V2 are these. Then from the next instrument station, say Y1, file means that this Y1 has been fixed earlier. You can see Y1 here. So when computer encounters file, computer will get the instrument station you typed in here. It will now go back and search for the instrument station. Once it is found, it will get the coordinates of that instrument station and use it to fix these ones. Remember, the format is point name, comma, degrees, comma, minutes, comma, seconds, comma, distance. These are bearings and distances. So all these points were fixed from one instrument station, Y1. Then from instrument station Q2, remember Q2 has been fixed earlier. So when computer encounters file, computer will pause, go back, search for coordinates or the processed coordinate of this point Q2. Computer will get it and insert it here and fix the rest. So as many as instrument stations you have, this is how you enter them. If it is only one instrument stations we have, just like this, then enter the instrument station, enter the point fixed with ray, and you process. Since we have more than one instrument station, we can enter all their instrument stations at the same time. So if you like, you save the data before processing. Whether saved or not, click on Process Data. Click on Ray using bearing and distance. Remember, we are using ray method now. This is the computation sheet. These are the instrument stations. From these instrument stations, these target stations were fixed. You can plot this in AutoCAD also. Start a new plotting window. Tools. run script, traverse, choose any font. If you want to maintain this font, simply click cancel. These are the rate points. See, from this Q2, points were rate, just like V2.